How to hide YouTube likes on shorts. Hey everybody, if you are wanting to do that, you can follow up these simple steps. So you can head over to youtube.com directly, and once you are there, you should be finding this interface. Now what you can do is you can head over to the top, add your profile and click on it. After clicking on it, you should be finding YouTube Studio from the given options. Go ahead and tap on it. Click on it. After clicking on it, this opens up. So what you can do is head over to the option that says content. Click on it. And after there, you can head over to shorts and locate up the short in which you want to hide the likes. So once you head over there, you should be finding a pen icon. Click on it and video details opens up. Now from this video details section, what you can do is you can scroll down, click on show more, and from there as well, you need to scroll down until you reach to the last, where you should be finding that hiding like section option. This one right here, show how many viewers like this video. Go ahead and uncheck this mark and see if the changes. And once you do that, it should do it. So that is how you hide likes on shorts. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.